Today, I'm going to show you how to change ownership of a Google Sheet. Useful if you want someone else to take full control of a spreadsheet. Start by clicking the Share button in the top right corner. You'll see a list of people who currently have access. Next to each person, there's a drop-down that might say Editor or Viewer. If the person is eligible, you can select Transfer Ownership. Google will ask if you want to make them the owner. Click Yes to confirm. A key thing to know: this works only if the other person is in the same organization or Google Workspace domain. If they're not, the option will be grayed out. Don't worry. There's another way to give someone full control, even if they're outside your organization. Give them editor or viewer access. Ask them to open the spreadsheet. Go to File, make a copy. Once they create a copy, they automatically become the owner of the new sheet. This method is perfect for sharing spreadsheets outside your organization or for handing off projects to someone else while keeping your original intact. You can try this with a simple spreadsheet like this. I have included some sample data below the video in the description for you to use. Share this sheet with someone else and practice transferring ownership or creating a copy.